What's up guys? Nick, Hollow Junk Removal. Beautiful Sunday. Right here we're going to be removing this jacuzzi today. So if you have a jacuzzi in your house, hot tub, spa, give us a call. We'll get it hauled away. So check it out. First of all, you take all the skirt off and then just start cutting it into pieces. So stay tuned, we'll get this cut out like this into pieces. Check it all out. And then you see the guts of the jacuzzi. All the pipes, all the water, the foam. Got it all cut up so it's nice and small and you can handle it. But remember, the most important thing, the tool, you're gonna need a Sawzall with a long, good blade on it to cut that thing up. So, we got it cut up into pieces. I'm gonna haul it to the truck. All right guys, so just see you guys, thank you. So we just got everything cleaned up. Jacuzzi removal in Oceanside, California today on this beautiful Sunday. Steelers are playing at 1 o'clock. Don't ask me how the waves are because I didn't go look today and I want to go surf and I don't know where the fuck I'm at right now, but we're gonna go out this way. We got one more job on the books today. So far today it is 12 o'clock. We did a sofa removal. We did a little property clean out, just a little couple items, and then we just did a jacuzzi removal in Oceanside. And now we're gonna go pick up a couple beautiful stained, smelly, stinky mattresses in Carlsbad. So we're still working. Give us a call at 760-331-3289, the Hollow Junk Removal on this beautiful